Starbucks Didi. 1 kilometer done, 2 kilometers done, 3 kilometers done. What I love about Taipei is that you give yourself 30 minutes either on cycle, foot, or in metro, and you're somewhere closer to the nature, maybe seeing a mountain or like a beautiful pier for the sunset and river. How can you forget Tamsui? But look at this. देख रहे हो दादर स्टेशन ऐसे क्लीन करते अपनी कंट्री को. करंट सिचुएशन, व्यूज़ के चक्कर में रनिंग छोड़ दी. देखो कितनी इज्जत मिलती है यहाँ साइकिलिस्ट को. 4 किलोमीटर्स. This is where I wanted to come. Nice, no? This is what I love about Taiwan. So there's a difference between China and Taiwan, that Taiwan has its own character. Yeah. Now I have to figure out how to go back hotel because I'm right now almost 6 kilometers away from my hostel, and there is no subway line over here, so I have to do something jugaad, which is what we Indians are good at, aren't we? So okay.